Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the latest official version of EaseUS Partition Master and install it in your system. So first of all, I'm going to Google and searching for EaseUS. And from there, simply clicking on the official source. Okay, now simply go to Partition Manager and download Partition Master free. Click on free download, and you have to input email address. Don't be worried, it will just take an email address and it will not verify. Okay, now simply click on try Partition Master, and finally click on download. Okay, now it is being downloaded, and to inform you, now it will download the online installer of this software, and then the main software will be downloaded from this online installer. Okay, and now simply wait until it's being downloaded. Okay, it's most probably done, and I'm installing it. Yes. Okay, now click on install and install free. It will take a little while depending on the speed of your internet. Just wait patiently until it is done. As you can see, it is most probably done. And okay, downloading is finished, and now it is being installed. Okay, and now the installation is done, and now clicking on start now. Okay, launching. And finally, as you can see, that the latest and the official version of EaseUS Partition Master is there, and I have shown you the way of downloading this online and installing in your system. And to inform you, this tool is used for the partition of your laptop or desktop computer, and you can easily manage your storage, okay, with this. And in my next videos, I will be giving you tutorials on this software one by one, and I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.